Let's go ahead with our next question. So let me copy that. Okay. Three candidates contested an election and received 1136, 7636, and 11628 votes. What percentage of total votes did the winning candidate get? Okay. So we know the individual votes, what each of the persons got, but we actually don't know the total votes. So first what we could do is we could add all these three. 7636, 11628, 20, 10, 14, 10, 2. Okay. So the answer is 20,400, and we very well know this is our 100% of total votes. Now we need to find the percentage of winning candidate. So we need to find how much percent is 11628. Okay, we know 100%, so we need to find 11628, right? So 100% is 20400. So your 10% is 2040, and your 1% is 204. So we need 11,628. Okay, if you add this 5 times, like if you multiply this 5 by, it will give you 10,200. Okay, so this number, it's definitely 50%. It's more than that, but 50% we are absolutely sure. Now we still need, this is 10,200, but this is 11,628. So need 1,000 more, like, yeah, 1,400 more. We know 10% is 2040. So it's something less than 10%, but we still don't know it. So we need 1,428. Yes. If you compare it with 1%, see, 7 times. So when you multiply this by 7, you get 1428. So you could add that 7% here. So your answer should be 57%. Let's verify our answer. Yes, we are correct. Let's move on to the next question. So in this question, in an election, 10% of voters on the voter list did not cast their vote, and 60 voters, okay, so their votes were invalid. Okay, the winner was supported by 47% of all voters in the list. So this is an important info. Okay, he got 308 votes more than this rival. We need the total number of voters on the list. So this question, if you could observe, it's not our regular pattern. So there is a some difference in this question, and we will have a variation in our approach too. So let's look into that. The winner was supported by 47% of all voters. 47% of all voters, right? So generally, I have gone through these kind of questions. So one thing you must understand here is, when we think of total, in this case, 10% of voters did not vote. They are also part of the total voters, right? So 10% they didn't vote. 47% of all voters is the count of the winner. The winner was supported by 47% of all voters in the list. Yes, it might say all voters in the list. When he is a winner, he should have got votes which were actually valid, right? So you could confidently say this 47% of the original voter list belongs to the winner. So now we very well know 10 is they didn't vote, 47 goes to the winner. So the remaining 43, so 47 and 10, 57, so 43, it belongs to the loser plus the invalid 60 votes, right? So you need to be very clear of this concept, especially for these kind of questions. Okay, so now, having this consideration, he got 308 votes more than his rival. Okay, so winner is 308 more. There is another key thing you need to consider. So imagine there is A and B. Say if A is the winner, he got 200 votes. B got 100 votes. You can say A got 100 votes more, right? Say if there is like an invalid votes of 50, what if you join these things together? What happens is, like, when B plus I is together, their gap is not 100 no more, it's 50, right? This becomes 150, this becomes 200, so the gap is 50. Why this is important? Because what it actually means is, when you add the invalid vote count to the loser's vote, the gap actually reduces the same number. It's like 100 minus this 50, right? So you can very well assume that when you add the 60, the invalid voters, to this gap, to the loser, so the gap reduces. So the gap becomes 248. Why this number is important is because this is one segment, 10%. This is one whole segment, 47%. This is another whole segment, L plus 60. So the gap between these two segments is 4%. So 4% is 248. So what happens to 40%? It's 992. So your 10% is, sorry, sorry about that. So your 40% is 2480, and your 10% is 6 4, so 24, 2 4 so 8 is 620. Yeah, so 10% is 620, so your 100% 6200. So yeah, so this 100%, when it says it's the total voters on the list, correct? Let's verify your answer. Yes, correct. So it's 6200. I know this question was a little bit complicated to solve, but hope you, if you could go through the video again, hope you would understand the slight difference from the usual questions to this.